turnover is so high in manufacturing? If you're a plant manager struggling with retention, you're not alone. Today, we'll look at why turnover is spiking and what practical steps can help keep workers on board. Manufacturing jobs comes with the challenges that are unique to the industry. Long hours, physical demanding tasks, and often extreme temperatures in the workplace can make it tough to keep workers satisfied. Many employees mention the lack of air conditionings, challenging shift schedules, and safety concerns. And for younger workers, the appeal of manufacturing just doesn't compare to jobs with flexible hours or air conditioned warehouse. Another big issue, management style. In many facilities, employees feel unheard or underappreciated. When management is focused only on cost cutting or meeting quotas, it can lead to a revolving door effect where employees come and go. Imagine being asked to work longer hours with a little appreciations or pay incentive over time that builds resentment and high turnover. So, how can you fix this? Here are some tried and true strategies. First, consider improving the work environment, whether that's adding better ventilations, air conditionings, or ergonomic tools for comfort. A comfortable environment can make a huge difference. Second, focus on meaningful employee engagement. Regular feedback sessions and truly listening to workers' concerns can help them feel valued. Finally, career progression is the key. Many workers leave when they don't see a future at the company, so offering structured training and advanced opportunity can give them a reason to stay. Manufacturing may not seem glamorous, but by investing in employees' comfort, engaging with their feedback, and showing path for growth, you can turn things around. Addressing this issue can lead to a stronger, more stable workforce and less spent hiring replacements. For more insights on managing turnover and retaining skilled talent, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Want more tips on improving your workforce? Subscribe to stay informed.